TEI Tools is a browser-based tool for converting Word documents into TEI XML and for visualizing TEI XML files. It is published by the Toyo Bunko. There is nothing to install or build. You just open the web page and use it. It is MIT licensed and the source code is open. The landing page has two cards. On the left is the converter from Word documents to TEI, and on the right is the TEI XML viewer. We will look at each in turn. This is the conversion page. You can convert a Word document just by dragging and dropping it, or by clicking to select it. Here we use the bundled sample Word document. Once a file is selected, the Convert button, which was grayed out, becomes active. When you press the Convert button, the file is sent to the TEI Garage API and converted into TEI XML. In a few seconds, the conversion finishes, and the result appears below. The result has two tabs. The XML tab shows the converted TEI XML with syntax highlighting. Tags, attributes, and text are color-coded, and you can confirm it is a valid TEI document whose root element is TEI. Switching to the Preview tab, a library called CETEIcean formats the TEI XML into a readable layout. When you hover over a note or other annotation, its content is shown in a pop-up. You can take the conversion results straight into your own work. There are two buttons at the top right of the result. Pressing Copy puts the entire TEI XML on the clipboard, ready to paste into your editor. Pressing Download saves the result as an XML file. The file name is inherited from the original Word document. The other tool is the TEI XML viewer. You can upload a TEI XML file you already have and inspect it. Here we load the sample TEI XML. Just like the conversion page, you can check the content with the syntax highlighted XML tab and the CETEIcean preview. It is handy for cases such as editing a converted TEI XML by hand and then checking that nothing is broken in the display. The language button in the header switches the interface between Japanese and English. Pressing the button switches all the buttons and labels to English at once. Press it again to return to Japanese. The theme button next to it switches the display theme, cycling through auto, light, and dark. In dark mode, the whole screen uses a darker, eye-friendly palette. The setting is remembered by the browser. TEI Tools lets you convert Word documents into TEI and visualize TEI XML, all within the browser. Writing TEI XML by hand is hard work, but you can easily try the flow of building a first draft with a converter and then checking it in the viewer. The source code and demo are available from the links in the description.
Please give it a try.